How to connect a Poly TC10 to an HP Mini IP conferencing PC. Before starting, you should have already connected your HP Mini IP conferencing PC to the network. At least one display and power. Do not turn on the PC yet. Now, connect the included Ethernet cable into the purple Power over Ethernet port. Plug the other end of the cable into the Poly TC10. Install the touch control stand. Turn on the PC's power. The attached monitor will show "Connect a controller" as the Poly TC10 automatically begins setup. Please answer any prompts shown. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.